Flagstaff Classic. It doesn't have a pass-through over here. 3 steps solid. Nice handrail. And what is it? It is 832 BWS bunkhouse Flagstaff. Yeah, we don't like bunkhouses. 832. This one right here. That's all the nice pertinent information. 36. This one's longer. It has a nice slide out, and it has 2 awnings, but they're split, of course. Wide toppers. Nice little area to put stuff. Nice. Yeah, cool. Ooh, that's an outdoor kitchen. Nice. Oh, grill. I like this. This is nice. This refrigerator's nice. Let me see. Oh, it goes this way. Only one way. That's nice. Drawer right here. A metal drawer. Suburban. A small one. You can't open up that too wide, but it's okay. It's fine. You get hung up right there, but you can still get in there. Plenty of room on the side. You have an outlet right there if you need it. And you probably be able to plug that cord somewhere. Your LP connection is right there. You probably have a hole here somewhere where you can put it. Maybe not. And then if it's raining, that'll keep you dry. Ladder, camera prep, bumper, put your slinky, slingy, hitch to put a bike rack or something like that. What was this, 35 something? 35 foot? It was 36.8. Alright, let's check it out. This is what you see when you first walk in. So this is probably all the panels. Yep. I like that because it protects it. Over here is the bedroom, but I'm going to get that last. Cool. Okay. Ooh, it has an island. Okay, let me do you have your fireplace, TV, a little kitchen island, a little nook over there, which I like. Oh, I like this one. I'd rather have a big couch here, but you know, it's just. But it does have that. That's fine. I can do my editing there or whatever. A nice recliner. Middlesbrough collection. They were all Middlesbrough. And then you have your fireplace, a little mantle, and then your TV. Alright, let's go around. Nice pantry, I like that. Your fuses are down there, and you can't get to your fuse if the slide is in. That is not a good design, I'm telling you. It is not a good design. Because if it's closed and you trip, you can't get it out. Am I right or am I wrong? So it's a bad design. People got the drinks in here. You can open this up all the way here and here. Nice. Both sides, and then they have the bottom. All of them had this, I think, except for maybe the real small one. Pocket down here. Nice drawer. I like that. Trash can, I love it. Nice big one too. And then you have your utensils, I guess. Or you just do it on the other side. Nice binder with all the paperwork. And there goes that stove again. Very nice one. I'm gonna guess it's residential size. And then Magic Chef again. Look at that thing. And then prep space on both sides. You got an outlet right there. Right there. And then a tower of power with USB if you need it. Let's check these drawers. Probably you might need a shelf there, maybe. You put a lot of stuff in here that you need. You can put some of your appliances, like if you have those slushy machines, it might fit in there. It might be too heavy too, so I'm not sure. I don't have one. Nice. This is where your utensils go. Nice. I wonder how many those tire pressure monitors that people steal from there. I hope they don't. I like that kitchen, the backside, and then you have the island. And you have some outlets right there, which is cool. Yeah, that's a lot of space right there. You can put a trash can in there too. And then nice space right there. Outlet on the bottom there. Outlet on this side too. Alright, let's check out this dinette. U-shaped dinette, but it's kind of small. And what I mean by small is if somebody's sitting here and somebody's sitting there, somebody might be able to sit in the middle, but not two, because your feet are going to be touching. So, look at that big ass drawer. That's nice. Big ass drawer, nice. So it has opposing slides. Yeah, this one is bigger, and you have a whole bunch of campsite windows. Look at that. A whole bunch. Can't complain about that. There's no windows over here, which is cool. Alright, let's check out this little room. You have your little sofa there. Mosberg collection again. And that's probably a bifold, scissor, whatever you want to call it. And then this bunk up here, which the bunk can be raised so you have more head clearing right here. And kids gotta have a TV. Nice solid steps there so they won't fall. I like this railing. Nice. So this come up there and then they won't accidentally fall. Nice. A lot of room there. Window in the rear, which is good. You have all these drawers here. Nice. Put their shoes and stuff there. Yeah, I like it. If you had 3 kids, 2 kids would be best for this, but you can put another kid right there. And they both have windows. That's nice. Window there and a window there. And they have USB, but I don't see an outlet up here, which might be, there's no outlet up here too. What the heck? Not even a USB. Huh. Interesting. So you gotta run a cable all the way down to there. And on this side, you gotta run a cable. Ooh, behind the TV maybe. They have a magnet to hold the door open, which is nice. Cool. Dimmer switch. That's how the area looks over here from the bunkhouse. Look at that ceiling. It's nice. And maxi fan in here, which is cool. Oh, I forgot all about this, I think. Yes, I did. Power tower right there. I don't know if I got that. Nice. So when it slides in, you won't be able to get over here, but it looks like, ooh, wait a minute. You might not be able to get in here at all. Huh. I think you'd be able to go to the bathroom at least. Or you just walk that way and do that way. But this is the bathroom, and it's the only bathroom. So one at a time. Porcelain radius shower. You have that triangle shape type area. You have a lot of counter space for your stuff. Nice, nice. Pocket door here. And let's walk through here. Yep, I like that. Shelves, end tables, I like that a lot. Light with USB on it. You have power outlets right there. You have a window on both sides. That's nice. And you got your big windshield. Let's take, oh, washer and dryer prep. Nice. It is. Shelves. Adjustable shelves, as you can see. That's nice. That's where the dry vent goes if you want to make this. When you take the shelves off, you can use it for hanging storage. And there you go, wash your prep. And you have an outlet in here. Well, you have to have one because of the... Ooh, don't break on me. And oh, we got some more hanging space. Yeah. And you have all this space here. You have some outlets there. USB, USB-C. You have outlets over here. So you got plenty of outlets. Let's check this out. Yeah. Storage, but you know, it's very narrow, not too deep. And you got all these drawers, which is nice. A little cubby hole here, but it's more like an access panel. Yeah, I like it. I can't drive this big monstrosity, but then you have a nice window there. TV prep right here. So you have a lot of campsite. But that's how it looks, guys. 86-inch ceiling height. That's cool. I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.